Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can invite the peoples, invite the friends, and whatever you want to invite, how you can invite that on the Clickup account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the invite option. As you can see, has the invite. So we have to click on the invite. And after clicking on the invite, simply we need to provide the email address that whom you want to invite. For example, I'm going to write the email address here. So let's write that. And after writing the email address, as you can see here, we have to choose the category, that which category admin are the member. So for example, I'm going to select the admin here. So we have to choose the admin. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now simply we have to hit the send invite. Firstly, we have to write the email address, and secondly, we have to choose the role, that which role we wants to give him. And after that, we have to click on the send invite, and the invitation will be sent if he will accept, and he will be added in our ClickUp account. So in this way, you can invite to someone on ClickUp. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can invite people on your ClickUp account. So see you guys in the next video.